In this video, we are going to see how we can view our block list on TikTok. So maybe that you have blocked someone earlier and now you want to unblock them, or you just want to confirm which contacts on TikTok you have blocked. Here's how you can easily find that block list. So first of all, what you need to do is just click on the profile icon from the bottom right hand corner and head over to the three lines at the top right and click on the settings and privacy. Now from here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the visibility section that appears right here. Let me just highlight that. It appears right here. And under here, you will see the blocked accounts. You click on that and currently there is no blocked accounts. But let's say if we block someone, we will click on visibility and blocked accounts again, and it will appear right here, just like so. After that, we can unblock them or keep them in the blocked accounts, whatever we want. Just let's say we want to confirm the list, you can check it here, or you can unblock any specific friend from here. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.